晚上好，我是 Emily 老师。Hello, good evening. I'm Emily. 你好，
你好，
你好，你
你
好。
你好，
So, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to ask a question and how to make a statement into a question. Um, Again, this lesson will be really easy to catch up, really easy to learn. So, actually, in Chinese, you can always put this word at the end, ma, which is ma. You can put this word at the end of any question. I mean, any sentence, and then you make this sentence become a question. Like you will make a statement into a question. So you use ma, so which with question mark, and then any statement will become a question. Like say 你好,
你好，
and if you put ma at the end, you say
你好吗？
你好
sorry，
and yeah 你好吗?
你好吗？
It means are you okay? Are you okay? Are you alright? How are you? So 你好 means hello, hi, you okay, you good? 好 means good. So 你好吗? We add ma at the end of the question, which will become a question, kind of checking on you. How are you? Are you okay? Are you alright? Yeah, we can do another sentence. So we learned about how to introduce ourselves. So 你是杠,
你是杠，
yeah,
你是 Emily， 我是杠，
yes. So you can say, can you try to put ma at the end of the sentence?
我是 Emily 吗？哎，你是 Emily 吗？
Yes, perfect. So that means, are you Emily? Are you Emily?
你是 Emily 吗 ？OK，
Yeah. So I can say, 你是杠吗? Yeah. So it's really easy that when you want to ask a question, you just need to put this word ma at the end of every question. So we talked about, we say 你好吗? Do you know how to answer this one?
我好，
What? Yes means I good. But normally we can say 我很好. 我means I. 我很好. We all learn this word like word by word already, but we put it together. 我很好 means I am really good. 很 means very, really. 好 means good. 你好吗? 我很好. So we learned about how to ask a question. Now we are going to talk about how to answer a question. So we say, 你是杠吗?
你是杠吗
Then how do you want to answer?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. You can say 是
is mean
means
no is mr right? 是 it means is mr 是
yes. Yeah, 是 also means in last lesson it means is or am. Here 是 you can always use 是 to answer any question, which means yes. 是我是 Yeah, you can say 你是杠吗?
是是我是 no 我是
Perfect.
是
Yes.
我
Yes.
是
Yeah. 我是杠。我 means I.
是
Yeah.
我是杠 Yes I am 杠是
Perfect.
我
So
是
you
杠
remember. Perfect. Yes. If you want to say no, you will say 不是，不是。
不是
不是。
不是不 is mean no no
Yeah. 不
Oh.
means no.
不 what does 是 it mean yes no
Yes. So 不是 is kind of like
no
the
yes
way.
okay
Yeah, you deny it. You deny it. 不. You can add the 不 at the end of, at the beginning of any like 是 or the word that can tell, like you will make the word exactly the different meaning, like 好不好
不好不
is good. So you say
不
不好 means no good.
you mean 不好
Means no good. So you put 不 at the beginning of any adjectives, and then you make it become a different meaning, like totally the different meaning. So you say 不是
is B or P 不 or 不
不
P 不
it's B.
不
Yes.
不好
We'll talk. Yes. 不好不是
不
不
是
Yes. And then
不高兴不高兴
perfect.
Okay.
Yes, we learned 高兴, which means happy.
不高兴 okay
不高兴 means no happy
okay
side. Yes, perfect. So we learned 是 we learned how to make questions. Can you try to connect those two words together?
like what
Like 是 and 吗
是吗
是吗 Guess what does it mean?
Is it right
Yeah, is it? Yes, is it?
是吗
是吗 Yes.
是吗 Is it
Is
right
it? Yeah.
Is it
Yeah. You can when after you ask a question, you can say 你是杠吗？是吗？ You can always add this question to means you repeat your question again, saying 是吗 Is it? Yes. So you see, actually in Chinese, it's quite easy to ask a question or to make a statement into a question. Although we only learned quite few simple words, but actually already can make it into sentences. And then at the end, we're going to talk about how to say correct. So you use this one to answer the question again. It will 对. I'm going to text it for you. 对.
对
Yeah. 对. You can also use it to answer like yes.
对
对.
对对 Yes
对, which means correct. Yes.
Yes
And we learned how to say no. So if you say 不对 means
不对 It's not correct
not correct. Yeah.
不对
Perfect. Okay. So let's repeat what we learned today.
Mhm.
We learned how to ask a question, 吗?
Mhm.
We learned to answer a question,
是
是
不是
不是?
对
And we also 对不对?
不对对
Yeah.
不对
你好吗?
你我很好
Perfect.
Mhm.
Okay, that's all the lesson for today. Hope you enjoyed.
OK
刚真好。谢谢，再见。Again, 谢谢 means thank you. 再见 means bye.
谢谢再见拜
再见。
拜谢谢
拜。